Wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home on a cul-de-sac near Jack Elementary. This open floor plan works well for everyday living or entertaining. Pretty wood floors, crown molding, tall ceilings, and stone fireplace welcome you into the generous family room. The kitchen is equipped with stainless appliances, granite countertops, island, pantry, and adjoins the dining area. Spacious split master bedroom with ensuite bath is appointed with a new shower, separate tub, double sinks, and walk-in closet. 3 guest rooms share a hall bath and all have nice-sized walk-in closets. Outside enjoy the large, fenced backyard, plenty of room to add a pool. New roof and HVAC in 2018. Seller is installing a new master shower door, replacing the master bath sink faucets, replacing doors throughout the home, replacing carpet, installing cabinet hardware, and repainting the interior. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.